Here's a curious observation about elite organizations. They all have a very high barrier to entry. Think Navy SEALs, Army Green Berets, professional sports leagues, the New York Philharmonic, the Bolshoi Ballet, Ivy League schools, McKinsey and Company. How about the United States Marine Corps, my favorite example. It's hard to get in, and then they each demand high standards of performance to stay. In each of those examples, there's a different requirement, combination of ability, talent, skills, aptitude. However, the most important and common attribute is a composite of positive attitude, specifically grit, determination, resilience. And I've read many former Navy SEALs who say the secret to getting through their basic SEAL training is not that you have to be a great athlete or a fast runner or a sleek swimmer or do the most pull-ups and push-ups, but rather the secret is to commit to a mindset that you will not quit. And never quitting is a high bar, and it's a difficult trait to instill in your team if they don't bring it with them to the fight. So, my challenge to you is keep your bar high. You'll attract and accept those that really want to be there. Do what you are doing and share in your why for doing it. That is a recipe for a solid team. You want a big team? Well, open it up and make it easy. But if you want a great team, make it hard. Set high standards and keep those standards.